How to change name on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go over to the top left corner and select Profile. Here, tap on View Profile at the top. Now, tap on the Edit option as shown over here. And as you can see, you can edit and change your profile name. Here, type in the name that you want and then tap on Save at the top right corner of the page. Your new profile name has now been set. You can also change your profile picture on Spotify using the same edit option. After that, tap on the edit icon under the profile picture and then choose a picture of your choice from your files. Then, tap on Save to save the new settings. Following these steps, you can easily change your name on Spotify.